you guys doing out there? This is JOATD. I wanted to share with you a purchase I just made. This is a custom car trailer. I use the word custom because someone actually made it, okay? It's very heavy duty, okay? This trailer is 19 feet long. That is the total width. That is from the hitch all the way to the back, okay? The car carrying length is 14 feet. The actual width from one side all the way to the other side is 7 feet. The width of the tread area here where the tires go, that is 22 inches. Now, what I want to share with you guys is this trailer, like I said, is custom made, okay? These axles and wheels came off of a mobile home. These are the wheels that are under a mobile home when they're transporting it, okay? The tire size is 8 by 14 and a half or 14.5. That's the actual tire size. It's dual axle, very heavy duty. These rim and tire setup is called Dayton. This is a Dayton rim. Basically, technically, this rim is hollow, okay? Like, it's just a circle and it's bolted onto the actual axle. I'm gonna do a couple videos on showing you guys how to remove the tire if you have a trailer that has Dayton rims on it. Let's walk around to the other side. I wanted to see if the axles actually had brakes on them, and they do. I'm gonna replace these brakes. These are the type that can actually be replaced. There's actually 4 bolts on the other side that holds this whole braking system on. I can pull it off and put new brakes on it. That's the actual hub area, okay? Now, this is how the rim looks. It's just a circle, doesn't have anything in it, okay? But this setup, these tires, they carry 3,500 pounds a piece. So each tire is 3,500 pounds. That's how much the total weight each tire can carry. You know, the pressure cold for these tires is 119. I think warm is 145 PSI. That's a lot. You gotta make sure that you get good tires. I did learn that if you're gonna buy tires for a setup like this, make sure that they are not mobile home tires. I think the mobile home tires actually say MH on the tire, big. Let's see, it's kind of hard to see, but these are G rated tires. I think it's 14 PP, but they're G rated tires. That's why they carry 3,500 pounds. Now, I got a little work to do to it. Clean it up, sand it down, spray paint it back black. Other than that, though, that's about it. Alright guys, this is JOATD, and I wanted to show you the restore of my car trailer. Just to let you guys know, I sanded the whole thing down, and we used a Rust-Oleum reformer paint that basically forms to rust and makes it a paintable surface. I got a flat black Rust-Oleum paint. I painted the whole thing, the top and underneath, and all the nooks and crannies. I also rewired the whole trailer. You can see I put the 3 park lights on the side. See, I got everything. Right now I got plastic bags covering the hubs until my dust covers come in. I changed out all the bearings for all 4 wheels and greased the bearings. Everything's torqued off. I put my custom sign that I cut out of cardboard, low boy, you see it. All the lights are in on both sides. I even painted like a custom red and white warning kind of spray paint. I painted that on too. Thinking about putting lights in the rear, but I don't know yet. Also got the little boy on the right side, and there's the new lights for there. Like I said, the plastic bags are just covering the hubs because they're bare right now until I get my dust covers in. Come over to this side right here. Got the lights here. You won't be able to see, but in the inside here, I used a Rust-Oleum undercoat spray. So it's like a rubberized spray. I put them in both fender wells. I also put the Rust-Oleum spray here because water hits it and it rusts out really easily. Repainted everything, ran the wires like I said, and that is the finished product, guys. I wanted to show you how it looked. Came out really well. The next step is to weld my D-rings in specific areas to be able to tie cars down to it, because right now, I mean, a car can sit on it, but there's really no way to tie it down. So I'm gonna weld D-rings on it, and eventually I want to weld some ramps on it, but I don't think it's long enough. I don't think it's long enough to where when you put a car on it, the ramps can fold up, you know, and not hit the car. So I'm probably just gonna use just regular ramps for now until one day I get a new trailer. But came out pretty good. Alright guys, this is JOATD. Like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, check out my new merch. Every video that I create has a hyperlink for my merch. Alright guys, I'm out.